What's up guys, this is Manny with Tropical Glitz, and you have no clue, no idea how excited I am to be on this right now. Guys, this is 2 years in the making. We've been working on making a dry flake gun. That's the last dry flake gun you're ever gonna need. This dry flake gun, you can shoot it whatever you want, 60, 40, 90, you name it. This thing can handle it. So this dry flake gun is right here next to me. It's a gravity fed dry flake gun. And we're gonna go through this video, how to use the dry flake gun, how to apply dry flakes versus how we did another video earlier before, how to shoot flakes with our inner coat. And we're gonna go through an unboxing so you know exactly what you get when you purchase one of these from our website. So guys, stay tuned. And if you love what we're doing, do us a favor, like, share, and subscribe. All right, moment of truth. The unpackaging. Here's the Flake Slinger in action, guys. This is the sleeve. Do yourself a favor, don't tear it up, because each of these sleeves is a beautiful poster on the inside, and who doesn't like to have merch of Tropical Glitz in their shop hanging? So every order gets a free sticker of Flake Slinger. This is a UV coated sticker, so guys, don't worry. And we're gonna throw in a half a pound of free flake, Platinum Plus 0.90, 0.60 while supplies last, so don't miss out. Here's the gravity fed Flake Slinger cup. Now this QR code is gonna take you to the product page of the gun. And here we go with the gun. Each gun is chrome plated, laser etched with their logo and the Flake Slinger name on it. Each gun comes with 3 tips, an 8.0, a 7.0, and a 6.0. This thing can shoot whatever you need. This is a pound of our pre-mixed 0.90 and 0.60 Platinum Plus flake. This is the same size and mix that you guys get in your half-pound jars. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swap out the tips and we're gonna change it to our 8.0 tip with our extension, since we're shooting pretty large flake for this project. We want to make sure we don't have any issues with clogging. So we're going to fill this up as much as I can because I want to make sure I have enough flake. You know, you can never go wrong with metal flake. There's never too much metal flake on a project. And we're ready to go. Now we're gonna mix our clear. So this is what we're gonna use as a foundation for the metal flake to stick to, because this is a dry flake gun. So we're using SPI Euro Clear, and we're mixing this to 4 to 1 to 1, same way we've always mixed it. And our project has already been based in galactic silver. So right now I'm shooting a wet coat of clear. Make sure we get everything covered really nice so I can come back and shoot dry flakes on it, and the metal flake would actually adhere to the surface of the project. All right, so moment of truth, the magic. Right now we are blasting this 0.90, 0.60. This stuff is amazing. You have no clue. Look at that. Look at how it shoots right at the camera. We're shooting this on the wet bed of clear that's already there, and we're gonna make sure we got everything squared away. Now we're going to be doing this bowling pin, the same exact process, a wet coat of clear. We're going to use that as a base for adhesion, and then we're going to come back with the Flake Slinger and blast on that 0.90 and 0.60. This thing is insane. It shoots this size metal flake with no issues at all. Now we shot one coat down. I'm shooting another layer of clear because you know what? I want more metal flakes on this bad boy. So we're gonna shoot another base down of wet clear and come back and dust it. Look at that. Guys, this is 0.90 and 0.60. This thing is massive. All right, check it out. Platinum Plus 90 and 60, that is our finished product. This is amazing. Nothing on the market like this. This holds a full pound of metal flake. This is the first gravity fed dry flake gun and the last flake gun you'll ever need. Check out this board, guys. This is gorgeous. Now we're gonna do the same thing all over again with this bowling pin, and we're gonna show you what it looks like on a 3-dimensional item. Look at that. We wanna make sure we got full coverage on everything and we don't miss a single spot on this bowling pin. Guys, this is not for the faint of heart. This is for the hardcore flake lovers. Look at me. Word of advice, wear a paint suit because this stuff gets everywhere. You guys saw the Flake Slinger in action, all right? It comes with 3 different tips and sets up. And then let's show you this. This is the panel we just flaked out, all right? And that was shot over our galactic silver as a foundation. And then we just shot a layer clear as a base so the metal flakes can actually adhere to it. Then we throw another coat of clear on it and then more metal flake over it just to lock everything down. And then from there, you keep on stacking your clear, sand, do your candy patterns. But this was shot right here. All this with a Flake Slinger. This was 0.90 and 60. These flakes are insane. Give you an idea, look, let's put this right here. Well, you know what? Let's do a close-up. I want you to see how insane this stuff is. This is massive. So guys, if you like everything we talked about on this video, like, subscribe, share, check out everything you see here is available on our website, www.tropicalglitz.net. That's another one for Manny from Tropical Glitz.